It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. The wind is howling, the snow is flying, and I am inside talking about Candle Day 2022 Bath and Body Works. We got a lot to talk about. We just chatted like 5 hours ago. I was on talking about butter rum eggnog versus Tipsy Elf. We got to talk about this because I don't think Tipsy Elf is actually butter rum eggnog. I got some updates about that. I watched the Instagram live. I saw a lot of you on there. I was like, hey. We all watched the Instagram live. So we have some updated information about Candle Day. So if you're just joining me, welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. So Bath & Body Works did send me 12 Candle Day candles to preview, review. I got unicorn sprinkles. I shared this one earlier. I got peach Bellini. By the way, I love my new camera so much. These candles look absolutely gorgeous. I can actually show everything now, and it shows up so well. So I did 6 earlier today. I've got 6 more, including some mashups that I want to preview with you guys. I also, of course, watched the Instagram live. During the live, they announced a couple of things. Of course, what we already knew is that if you're an App Rewards member, Candle Day starts tomorrow online, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be there. They're going to put everyone in a queue, and then you'll be able to shop. I'm going to be there early. I don't know what candles are going to be. Is it going to be everything? We don't know yet if they're going to have the entire collection. The marketing team basically had, I'm assuming, most of the candles they're releasing for Candle Day, like, all lined up. So what I did was, on my blog, I updated my blog post and I added the Candle Day candles. They're right on top. It'll say Candle Day 2022 candles. And I put the names of all of the candles, and I started adding in scent notes for you guys. So if you want to make your wish list off of that, just go to queenofthegirlgeeks.com. I'll also put the link below, and you'll be able to check out all of the names of the candles. And then they talked about Tipsy Elf. Holding it up and reading the scent notes on Tipsy Elf. I actually wrote them down. I'm going to read them. Where's my Tipsy Elf here? So, according to Bath & Body Works marketing team, Tipsy Elf is Merry Vanilla, a dollop of nutmeg, and a sneaky elf with a heavy splash of rum. I think that's what he said. I was like, is that what he said? I don't think that is butter rum eggnog, unless the scent notes are just not coinciding, because butter rum eggnog is spiced eggnog, vanilla bourbon, and rich buttercream. I was wishing it was butter rum egg cream. I'm wondering if it's creamy nutmeg, which is another candle from Bath & Body Works that usually comes out for Candle Day. So we shall see. It's got pink wax. I don't know what Tipsy Elf is at this point. That's like the biggest Scooby-Doo mystery of Candle Day at this point. We're like, we don't know. So they talked a lot about the lines. The one thing that they did not talk about was the pricing. Everyone's like, what's the price? What's the price? They would not tell the price. If you're online at all, Instagram, anywhere, everybody's speculating on price. I don't like to do an official price until I hear it from Bath & Body Works, because you never know. You never know what's going to happen. Everyone is speculating between $9.95, and I've heard people saying $10.25. I don't know. I just use the generalization for the budgeting purpose. Approximately $10. That way you can still do a budget, within a couple of, dollars is the way I do it. But as soon as I get official word from the Bath & Body Works website, I will do a pricing video, and we will go from there. So I got to show you these candles. Check it out. I'm super excited about these. Another one I'm excited about, actually 2 of them that I did not receive from Bath & Body Works. French Baguette is coming back. I just ordered the single wick. It's slow rising dough, crispy crust, and a pat of butter. That one is really interesting. And then Wine Cellar which is mulled apples, fresh fig, and cedarwood. I have a wine cellar down in the basement. I got to bring that up for you guys so you can kind of see it. A lot of candle reviews talking about candles for at least the next week. One question a lot of people had is this it for new candles this year? Is Bath & Body Works going to be bringing anything else out? Usually what happens is after Candle Day, more new candles or repackages start to show up. Like Pink Apple Punch we haven't seen. I just happened to notice that one. I'm like, where's Pink Apple Punch? But there will probably be more candles than coming out for semi-annual sale. So don't worry if you don't see your favorites here, because there's just candles coming out. And then, of course, we're going to start getting the new spring candles like in early January. So if you don't see what you want for Candle Day, don't worry, because there's more coming. There's actually a lot of really good candles for Candle Day. I know a lot of people are saying, there's not a lot of new ones. It's still a good reason to be excited, because even like as I was going through the list, I was like, wow, there are so many that you can like rediscover and love. It's funny because you know me, I usually don't like peach, but my tastes change all the time. Like I'm always like, I may like something one year and not as much the next year. I'm actually smelling this peach Bellini, and it's smelling really good to me. And like I said, I don't know. I think I'm on the peach train now. I'm liking peach more than I used to. So that's a kind of a change that I've kind of done. It's funny. I used to be really hot on coffee scents, and lately I'm not as hot on coffee scents as I am on like some of the fruity scents. So we all change like year to year. So I know you're like, Bonnie, stop talking. Let's look at the candles. Candle number 1, Ocean. This is one that I'm still not crazy about. Ocean is very strong. I don't like the men's body care in Ocean. It is Blue Cypress, Vetiver, and Coastal Air, but don't listen to me because everybody loves Ocean. I'm probably like the only person that thinks Ocean is a little bit too intense, but we will have an Ocean candle. The mashups. Oh my goodness, you guys. Get excited for cinnamon, spiced vanilla, and hot cocoa and cream. This one smells really good. It is decadent milk chocolate, ground cinnamon, and vanilla bean. So when they talk about a mashup, they're not taking the two candles, cinnamon, spice, vanilla, and hot cocoa and cream, and just pouring them together. They're taking like scents from each of them and they're mixing them. But this one smells really good. I think a lot of people are going to like cinnamon, spiced vanilla, and hot cocoa and cream. I also got Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit and Tiki Beach. This one is Tropical Passion Fruit, Radiant Kiwi, Toasted Coconut, and Vanilla Musk. I like this one. This one's got the green wax in it. This smells very tropical fresh in like a unique way. I think this is like a brand new scent that like no one's ever smelled before. And I kind of like it. This one's interesting. I like the lids on these. I also got, Vanilla Balsam. This is like one of my favorite candles. It is Balsam Fir, Frosted Vanilla, and Snow-Capped Pine Needles. I'm glad they brought this one back. The vanilla and the balsam mixed together so beautifully. And let's face it, like, we're not even, like, near Christmas. So this is, like, such a delightful collection. So this collection's going to include, let me get to the top here. This looks like wrapping paper. Cranberry Pear Bellini. I'm not crazy about that one. I never have been. Caramel Drizzle. I need to get. Merry Cookie. I want to get just because it's in this packaging. Perfect Christmas. I don't know what that is. It's not the Perfect Christmas. It's Perfect Christmas. I'm not sure what that is. It could be a new scent. And then Vanilla Balsam. Perfect Christmas was the blue candle that the marketing team had setting on their shelf back there. So I'm kind of curious about that one. Bubbly Rosé. Bubbly Rosé is like a Valentine's Day scent. It's pink sparkling rosé, sweet blood orange, and a splash of cranberry juice. It's really fruity, really intense. So if you like those strong fruits, I actually like Peach Bellini a little bit better myself. I also got You're the One. I think I'm going to give this one off. I know someone who's going to love this one. White birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. A lot of people, I think, are going to be excited to see these candles. These always sell out fairly quickly. 1,000 Wishes, Into the Night, In the Stars, Butterfly, Ocean, You're the One, Bourbon, and Japanese Cherry Blossom. People love these candles. These are strong. So these are probably going to be pretty hot on Candle Day. So we have this collection. This is the kind of exclusive collection. It's a lot of repackages, different packaging, unicorn sprinkles. I swear this smells a little bit different. Candied maple bacon, which I talked about early. The mystery, the Scooby-Doo mystery, Tipsy Elf. Banana bun cake is coming back. That one kind of surprises me a little bit. I don't know where they got banana bun cake. I think it's got white wax this year. It was just kind of like thrown into the mix. I don't know. I'm like, where did banana bun cake come in? Because that usually comes out like later. Like last year it came out for semi-annual sale. We had wild berry jam donut. I don't know where banana bun cake came out of, but it's a good set. You're gonna love banana bun cake. If you've never experienced banana bun cake, it's actually one of my favorite scents. So definitely put banana bun cake on your list if you like bananas. And then I think French baguette and wine cellar. Wine cellar especially is a huge hit with a lot of people. It usually sells out quickly. So if you want that wine cellar or the French baguette, I would get those first because those are probably going to sell out fast. The mashups, I really want to get the sugared lemonade and blueberry sugar. That's a lot of sugar. And you know me, I'm all about sugar. We have ocean driftwood and white gardenia. I don't know if I'm going to like that one. And then Waikiki Beach coconut and cinnamon stick. I'm really curious about that one. Those will be coming out. So the mashups are exciting. And here's what you're going to do next. You got a lot of new candles. We're waiting on the official announcement for price for Candle Day. In the meantime, I would go through and kind of get your wish list a little bit more solid. I actually have to update mine with some of the new candles that I now want. Go to Google or go to the Bath & Body Works website and figure out what time your store opens on Friday. I am noticing mine does open at 5 a.m. Sometimes like stores will open at 3 a.m. I don't even know if they're doing that anymore. Does anyone's store open like really early? I haven't seen since like before 2020 stores opening before 5 a.m. And actually our mall closes at 8, which is surprising because that's actually pretty early, especially for Candle Day. So the mall is going to be probably more crowded because the hours are reduced. I don't know what's going on with that. But check the hours of your store and then make sure you got everything ready to go on tomorrow night. You got your app rewards already set up so that you can get on at 8 o'clock and order candles if there's anything you want. Get your coupons ready. Just have all your stuff in order. It'll help you. I will be on doing all kinds of videos to kind of help you through the process. I'm excited. I always get excited for Candle Day. It's like an experience. It's a joy. It's my Super Bowl. It's just fun to see what's out there. And who knows? We may see a couple of surprises. You just never know. So anyway, thank you as always for watching. Thank you to Bath & Body Works for sending me these candles to preview. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.